Hi there, today I'll show you how to create glow effect to any objects in Photoshop. Let's take this image as an example. I'm going to glow this sneaker. First, I'll darken image. Click your adjustment icon and choose brightness contrast. Decrease brightness to -85 and increase contrast to 38. Add color to it with color glow curve adjustment layer. Drop down menu in 3D LUT file and select Moonlight. Adjust the opacity to 50%. Create a new layer with this icon. Pick up pen tool and make the selection of the area that you want to make it shine. I'll glow the pink color on a sneaker. After finishing each selection, press Ctrl or Command Delete to fill it with white color in the background. Once you are done, head to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur to blur the white area with 5 radius pixels. Then confirm. Next, click the FX icon and choose Blending option. Choose Auto Glow. You can see the change immediately. On the right side, you can customize glow effect with these options: opacity, noise, size, color, range. Feel free to try it out one by one to understand each function. Since the color that I choose is pink, I'll use this color code #E1007A and copy it. Next, we'll bring back the textures in the glow areas that we feel white at the first step. Create a layer mask, use brush tool, low opacity, black in foreground color. Pan slightly to the places you want to bring the texture back. Create another layer. Change blend mode from normal to color dodge. In foreground color, paste the color code that we choose. Adjust opacity of brush tool to 10%. Increase brush size with bracket and dab or paint to add a bit of pink color to this area. In case you accidentally paint too much color, use Eraser tool to remove it. I'll decorate with bokeh light. We have tons of stock in SADESIGN Retouching panel. Feel free to download and give it a try in the link on the description. Take this bokeh to our project. Zoom out. Ctrl T to adjust the position and flip it vertically. Change blend mode to screen. Press Ctrl or Command M to open curve window to add contrast to layer 3. Open hue saturation with shortcut Ctrl U, adjust hue to -12. Pick up Eraser tool to remove unnecessary bokeh in the image. Next, Use this photo of Starry Night to create a dreamy look. Ctrl T to rotate it to align with the sneaker. Change blend mode to color dodge. There you go. Open hue saturation again with Ctrl U. Check to colorize to match color of Starry to glow shoe. Increase saturation to 37. Ctrl T. Click to this icon to warp it to fit the sneaker. Use eraser tool to remove some areas that you like. Create color lookup adjustment layer. Choose film stock in 3D LUT file and adjust opacity to 50%. Then create a new layer. Use brush tool with black color in foreground. Opacity 100%. Paint along the border of the canvas. Use Gaussian blur to blur it with around 300 pixels. This helps to make the sneaker really stand out in the image. Brighten the shoe with eraser tool, opacity 50% and paint on it. Finally, use curve to add a bit of contrast to the image. That's all for the tutorial. Hope you like it. Hit like and subscribe and hit the notification to get more tips every day. Thanks for watching.